There once was a wise old man. He had many sons. The sons often fought. The old man worried about them. He wanted them to live in harmony. One day the old man called his sons together. He had a plan to teach them a lesson. He held up a bundle of sticks. "Break these," he told his sons. The sons were strong. They tried to break the bundle, but the sticks were tied tightly together. None of them could break the bundle. They gave up, tired and frustrated. The old man smiled. He untied the bundle. He gave each son a single stick. "Now break them," he said. The sons broke the sticks easily. They understood their father's message. One stick alone is weak, but many sticks together are strong. The old man spoke to his sons. "You are like the sticks," he said. "Alone you are weak, but together you are strong." The sons learned a valuable lesson. They learned the power of unity. They promised to always support each other. This story teaches us an important message. We are stronger when we work together. Like the bundle of sticks, we can overcome any obstacle when we are united. Let us always remember the power of togetherness.